Hi and welcome to FitbeWell Recipes. Winter is here in India and so is the favorite season for strawberries. And here is a super easy recipe to make strawberry jam without using regular white sugar or gelatin or pectin. One batch of this jam stays fresh for at least 3 weeks without refrigeration and up to 40 days with refrigeration. Without any delay, let me quickly share the recipe with you. This batch of jam was a very small one and I used 250 grams of fresh strawberries washed very well. Then I cut them into smaller pieces and add them to a mixer to make a smooth puree out of these. Alright, our puree is ready and we are good to go with the cooking process. For this we need a thick bottomed saucepan or kadhai to start cooking the jam. So we are slowly going to start heating this puree. You can decrease the flame at this point. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of liquid jaggery right now. Now, unlike regular refined sugar, liquid jaggery is made by boiling raw sugarcane juice. As this liquid starts boiling, the molasses get separated and the juice condenses to form a very thick liquid which is called our liquid jaggery, and it is way healthier than the regular sugar. So we can see that the puree has just started to become thick. And now onwards we just need to be careful about the flame. Please note that I have time-lapsed some parts of this video and the entire cooking process takes up to 20 minutes. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice at this point. Now strawberries are low acid fruits and we need the right balance of acid and pectin so that the jam sets very well. Besides, lemon juice also acts like a natural jam preservative. Now we can see that the jam has started to thicken further. Make sure to not ignore the jam that sticks on the sides. Keep scraping it into the jam mixture every now and then. You can slightly increase the flame right now and start stirring more vigorously. We are almost nearing the end here. and it's just a matter of some testing whether the jam is done or not. For this, we'll put just 1 drop of the jam on the back of a spoon and check whether it flows. And if it doesn't, we know that our jam is ready and it's time to put off the flame. So yeah, we are done, and we'll just wait for the jam to completely cool on its own before we use or store it in an airtight glass container. Here's a closer look at how our jam has turned out. You can also find the detailed written recipe on my website, the link of which is in the description. Well, thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I drop a new video. Keep extending your love and support on my Instagram and website too. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care and bye-bye.